Hello and welcome to Barnali's Kitchen. Tandoori chicken is one of the most popular non-veg dishes in India and everybody loves it. Most of people love tandoori chicken. It's so yummy and the smoky flavor makes it too delicious. Today I want to show you how to make tandoori chicken at home and that is in pressure cooker. It's very easy to make in pressure cooker and the taste is awesome. So let's get started. Here I have taken chicken in big pieces. My chicken is nice and clean. And here is the spices. Here I have taken curd 1/3 cup. For this recipe, always take little thick curd. Turmeric, salt, jeera powder, dhania powder, garam masala, chili powder and ginger garlic paste. You can use the spices less or more, it's up to you. Now put all the spices in the chicken. Add curd also. Curd means dahi, okay? This curd is so thick. If you don't have thick curd, then strain the water and use. Now add oil 3 spoon. And then add little red food color. It gives very nice color in it, but this is optional. Now marinate well, and once the marination part is done, then keep it in refrigerator for minimum 3 hours. Or you can keep overnight. Actually it gives better result. After that, in a pressure cooker, put the marinated chicken and arrange it nicely. Then add some little lemon juice in it. Now put the lid and cook it in high flame and give 3 to 4 whistles. After 3 to 4 whistles, here is the chicken and lots of juice came out. Now cook it for a few minutes, and once it is dry, then I'll show you the next step. After evaporate the juice, now take out the chicken and keep it in a plate. Now take a piece of chicken and put it in direct flame. It gives very nice aroma and flavor and taste also very yum. Or you can take a cooking net and put few pieces of chicken and cook it in direct flame for a minute or so, and your tandoori chicken is done. Make it's little faster and easy to make. This smelling is so yum. Hope you like the video.